Are you filming now at the moment?
I am filming right now.
Oh dear. Look, everybody, this is a new book. Isn't it?
Yay! I can't believe you're the first person to get it, Fiona.
I'm the most important, of course.
Oh, love you.
Isn't it exciting though that we've got it and it's being published?
It's brilliant.
And
have you given any away yet?
well, I've only had it half an hour. I have given, the parcels arrived when I wasn't here, and when I arrived they were all sitting in the hall, and one of the neighbours came and said that they'd help to bring it in, and it was too impossible to lift because they were so heavy. So these lovely neighbours helped me, and I just handed one to the neighbour that had been so good to me.
Oh, that's so nice. Did they ask you to sign it?
No, she said, "Oh, I must pay you for it." I said, "No, I'm only giving them away."
I love it. Let's have a look at the cover. Oh, I love it, Fiona.
It's all right.
Really proud of you. That's ace.
Well, just pray that it really has the effect that for which we've made it. That's the important thing.
Yeah, absolutely.